Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the built-in print function in MQL5. If I go to my meta editor, you can see here that I have defined a symbol name as string and its bit price as double using this symbol info double function that we're going to discuss in a second. And I have passed the symbol name and the symbol bit constant, which means that we will retrieve bit price. And here down below, I'd like to use the print function to present this information, the current symbol and the current bit price. And this information will be displayed here under the expert tabs of your toolbox. You can activate your toolbox using Ctrl+T or by clicking on this icon in MetaTrader 5. And if I run my script, you can see here that the current symbol is $, and the current bit price is 1.07297. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.